Cookie. That's Cookie. I don't see the cat. Where's the cat? The cat's usually sitting there sleeping. That's Cookie. Min Min. Min Min. This is Min Min. That's Min Min.
I heard a bird.
Yeah, it's outside. Wait. Oh my gosh, the dog broke through. Come here, doggy. Come here. Come here. Back. Come here. Come here, baby.
Come here, puppy.
Come here, puppy.
Come here. You want a treat? Come here.
Want a treat? Come on. Come on. You're gonna break the news to her. You'll be quiet. You'll be quiet. I know the song. Somebody's phone. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here, puppy. Oh, he's so adorable. That's a big fluffy dog. I'm metaphorically petting him. Oh, he's got such a cute puppy face. There's a cat around here somewhere, but I don't know where she is. It's your back. I'm looking at your back. I don't think that's water, dude.
That's what the dogs have to sit about. There's a dog in the basement.
There is?
Yeah. You can't go down there.
I know, but why is there a dog in the basement?
It's the other people's money.
It's a calendar.
Your feet are dirty.
Close.
No.
Aww. Oh my god. Look at that.
How many dogs these people got? These people that came up, how many dogs did they got? How many? 2? 2 what? Dogs. Yeah. Because there's one in the
What
basement.
happened to that one?
They got 2.
There's Cookie, there's Min Min. I think that one died.
4.
One of them is shut in the basement. When I was the utility room, I could hear it. No, that's a small one.
There, Cookie.
Yeah. What kind is it?
There, Cookie. Hey there, big doggy. I have no idea what your name is. It's called Fuzzy. Or Tiger. Or Bear. Is your name Bear? Is your name Bear? No, it's not Bear. You have blue on your tongue. Moose? Is it Moose? Moose? Moose?
Elk? Cookie? You like elk?
It's Elk. Its name is Elk.
No, this dog likes the name Elk.
Elk. Moose. Is your name Moosey? Cookie. 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 You're so mean. Min Min. Well, with the name she has, I'm never going to guess his. It sounds crunchy. Hey, get that little plastic toy. Throw it. Oh. This looks good. I want to try to eat it.
No, the dog's play with it himself.
It's
Don't break your teeth.
It's fake. Wanna chew on the toy? You don't like it? Who wants the toy? Cookie, you want the cookie? It sounded like he farted. Dude, it sounded like he farted. You're tearing that thing up. Eat the cookie. Well, I have good aim. Cookie doesn't want the cookie. He doesn't look like he's in a good mood. Are you in a good mood? You look like a tired cookie. I love how they stick their tongue out whenever you say their name or you're talking to them. It's like,
You know.
Cookie.
Cookie, are you tired?
Cookie looks like he's tired. Hey, the cookie. Hey, the cookie.
He's just a big fat fluffy dog.
I know, I love this dog. If I could keep it, I would. Oh, that poor dog.
The puppy.
I love this one. It's a German Shepherd. Oh, those are so cute. Well, I want to see it.
He's in a cage, honey.
Oh, so I can't see it?
No. We'll see you tomorrow, Don.
Bye, big fluffy doggy. Mwah. I love this dog. It's so fluffy. Look how long it is. It's big. It's just like a big ball of fluff.
Looks like it's part shepherd and part dog.
No, it's not a wiener dog.
No. It's part shepherd and part chow.
Oh. I just got a text message. Bye-bye, Min. Bye-bye, Cookie. Bye-bye, big dog. I don't know your name. Bye. I didn't even get to see the kitty. Where's the kitty?
Kitties are hiding.
Kitties? How many cats do they have?
3.
There's a dog out here.
Yep, that's Sophie. Hi, Sophie.
Let's go see Sophie's. Sophie.
She's another one of my babies.
What kind of dog is she?
She's part rat.
She's part Rottweiler.
You're big.
She looks blue in here.
That be Sophie. She can put 4 of those dog treats in her mouth at once.
Dang, dog. 4 dog treats.
Not those big ones, the smaller ones that I buy.
See you later, Sophie. Come here, Sophie. What you doing, Jacob? In the car we go.
Hand me that bottle of hand sanitizer.
Why do you need hand sanitizer?
Because whenever I go in there and do anything in his bedroom, I always mount his hand
Why?
sanitizer.
Is his bedroom dirty?
No. He's sick.
Oh.
That's why I have to give him a bath. He can't get up and do it on his own.
Oh, I see.
You don't have the strength.
I see that Vladimir. That smells surprisingly good. It smells like hand lotion.
He's got a hand sanitizer in it.
Oh, it's hand lotion with hand sanitizer?
No, it's hand sanitizer with moisture in it.
This stuff is nasty. Taste. It smells. I wouldn't know what it tastes like, but
Right.
this right here, it
That's
smells.
hand lotion.
It smells nasty.
That's good hand lotion.
It smells horrible. I think I got some in my mouth. Ugh. Woo-hoo! There's a mint. I can see your shirt. Pull it up.
He's so
Hey, at least you have a shirt on, unlike Chelsea, always wearing bathing suit tops and everything. In case you haven't noticed, I have a YouTube channel, and so does Chelsea. My friend, I don't really know if we're friends anymore. And we also have one together, and it's called Sexy Spazzers 101. Mine is Emo Teddy Bear, and hers is, I don't even know hers. I think it's Bloody Tears. Or, no, it's Emo Skater Girl. Emo Skater Girl. Don't put skater, but it's spelled SK8. 8 the letter. I think it's spelled TR. Skater Girl. So check us out. We're putting new videos. We're trying to upload videos. It's not really working that well. We can't promise any schedules for our videos because we don't have schedules. So, well, this video is getting too long. Talk to y'all later. Bye.